Hey guys and girls, welcome back to Bo's Mopar Garage. I'm getting ready to respray this car here. If you watched my last video, you saw we had to fix a dent in the roof. It's been a few days, so I got to scruffy the base coat so that the next coats of it will stick. Just using a red pad here. Going around it and putting some tooth in here so the paint will stick. It's too bad we found that little dent afterwards. I guess the prep department must have missed it, which would be me. But better now than later. All right. This is the area where that dent was. Put a coat of sealer on it, a couple coats of base coat on it. So it's looking pretty good. We're gonna put a few more coats of base coat on this thing and 3 coats of clear. We'll finally get this done. I've scuffied it. I've wax and grease removed it, and I just tacked it off. So we're ready for a couple coats of base coat. All right, guys, let's put some clear on this car. I'm going for 3 coats. Hey guys, here it is the day after the overall paint job. Put some base coat on this, put some more clear on it, and just take a look at it. I'm very happy with it. That B5 really pops. We'll probably sand it with some 1200, 1300, 1400, something like that, and nib it and buff it. But came out really clean and shiny. So next I'll be doing the fenders and the doors and the trunk lid. And then we'll be ready for some reassembly. I've got to find a Gen 3 Hemi for it. That's what I want to put in this. I already have a Silver Sport 5-speed set up for it. Now go. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Helps build the channel. Ring the bell. Like it. I enjoy doing this stuff, so I'd like to bring you some more.